IKAS-FABRIKA, where learning means creating. At Miguel Altuna, we're changing the way we learn. This is how IKAS-FABRIKA was born, our learning factory within the school, a space where students experience the complete production process, from receiving an order to the finished product. We have all the phases needed to produce skateboards: design, manufacturing, assembly, control and management. At IKAS-FABRIKA, just like in any company, people from different fields work together in an interdisciplinary training project. 70 students from 6 different courses work as a team to carry out the production process, from mechatronics or mechanical manufacturing to administration and executive assistance. Each person in their role analyses problems, makes decisions and looks for solutions. The workstations are defined and the required technologies are selected, such as CNC machines, automated systems and industrial robots. In this way, students explore how these technologies optimize manufacturing processes and transform the way production works. And here the action begins. Some of the students assemble the wheels, others prepare the skateboard deck. Every part has its place, every step depends on the previous one, just like in any real industrial environment. During the process, different ways of working are carried out, including automated processes and robotic arms. Augmented reality technologies and virtual reality headsets guide each operation. Digital tools help to better understand each step. This allows students to compare methods, analyze results, and understand how the process evolves. At the same time, other students organize the production process. They plan tasks, coordinate teams, and work with data to improve processes. People, technology, and organization working together. IKAS-FABRIKA changes the way of learning. Here, students don't just study industrial processes, they experience them. They collaborate with people from different specializations in interdisciplinary training and analyze real production problems, just the way things work in a real company. Without a doubt, the most important factor here is the people, who learn to work, think and build together.
IKAS-FABRIKA azkenean da enpresa bat simulatzea denon artean, ziklo desberdinetakoak, eta nire lana hemen da adibidez utilajeak diseinatzea edo berdiseinatzea, eta dare zona desberdinak adibidez montaje manuala edo administrazioa, eta bakoitza dauka bere lana eta denon artean itzen daula.
Yo soy de automatización y robótica. Nuestro trabajo principal fue el diseño de un programa del robot ABB, donde hicimos la puesta en marcha para realizar las ruedas de manera automática.
Nik administraritzako departamentuan egiten dut lan. Gure rola izan da, lankideak organizatu, antolatu, finantzetako asuntuak eruen. Gure esperientzia bastante interesgarria izan da, porque beste arloekin harremantzia eta izan da, ez dakitxe, aberasgarria. Ikusi dau zelan funtzionatzen dauen tailerra eta zein dan berez realmente itzen dauen lana.
Because when learning becomes a real experience, ideas start to come to life.